Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Dr. Zahra Noreen, course instructor of Plant Physiology 1, BOTN 3119. Today we will talk the rest of our previous topic, carbon dioxide concentrating mechanism. In our previous lecture, I told you about C4 pathway, its cycle. Now we will talk about its different forms. Technically, we can say that three different types of C4 photosynthesis are known, and these three types of C4 photosynthesis are differing both in the 4 carbon acid transported between the mesophyll and bundle sheath cells. As I told you, it can be malate or aspartate, and the mechanism of decarboxylation which occurs in the bundle sheath cells, उसके लिए कौन सा एंजाइम इस्तेमाल होगा, उसी की बेस पे ये डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स जो हैं C4 पाथवे की वो पाई जाती हैं. एंड दीज थ्री डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स आर NADP मैलिक एंजाइम or C4 photosynthesis, also known as NADP MeC4 photosynthesis. The second one is NAD malic enzyme type or NAD MEC4 photosynthesis, and the third one is phosphoenol pyruvate carboxykinase type or PEPCK-C4 photosynthesis. All these three variants are named on the basis of the enzymes employed for decarboxylation reaction in bundle sheath cells. Although the intercellular compartmentation and energetics requirements for each of these three types differ in all cases, the carbon dioxide released in the bundle sheath cells is refixed by the Rubisco localized within the chloroplast of the same cells, that is bundle sheath cells. Here is the summary of the variation in C4 photosynthesis. You can see here, as I told you, that C4 acid that is transported from the mesophyll to the bundle sheath cells, the variation can be with respect to this acid, C4 acid, or the variation can be with respect to the transported C3 acid, or it can be with respect to the enzyme utilized for the decarboxylation reaction in the bundle sheath cells. So in case of NADP malic enzyme, the C4 acid is malate, the C3 acid is pyruvate, and it occurs in ZMA, Saccharum officinarum, etc. In case of NAD malic enzyme, the C4 acid is aspartate, the C3 amino acid is alanine, and it occurs in the panicum miliaceum millet. In case of PEPCK, phosphoenol pyruvate carboxykinase type or the form of the C4 photosynthesis, the C4 acid is aspartate again, and in case of C3 acid, it can be alanine, it can be PEP, or it can be pyruvate. So it's a mixture of the previous two forms, and the enzyme which is utilized for the decarboxylation reaction is different from the previous two, that is PEPCK, and it occurs in gunny grass, Panicum maxima. All types starts with the initial fixation of the HCO3 bicarbonate by PEP carboxylase enzyme in the cytosol of the mesophyll cells. लेकिन जो differences आते हैं वो आते हैं after the fixation of the carbon dioxide in the mesophyll cells, आया जो ट्रांसपोर्टेड फॉर्म है C4 मालिक्यूल की वो कौन सी है, और फिर C4 जब ट्रांसपोर्ट होकर बंडल शीथ सेल्स में जाता है तो वहाँ पे जाके कौन सी चेंजेस आती हैं, और उस दौरान में कौन सा C3 जो एसिड है वो जो है वो शटल करता है, और प्लस जो डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन रिएक्शन है उसमें कौन सा एंजाइम जो है वो इन्वॉल्व होगा. पहली ही जो फॉर्म है इसमें जो कि है NADP मैलिक एंजाइम टाइप, इसको आप मैलेट फॉर्मर भी कह सकते हैं. यू कैन सी हियर कि साइटोसोल ऑफ द मेसोफिल सेल्स में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड पेप कार्बोक्सिलेज एंजाइम की मौजूदगी में पेप और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड मिलकर ऑक्सैलोएसिटिक एसिड बनाएंगे इन द साइटोसोल ऑफ द मेसोफिल सेल्स, and this oxaloacetic acid will be transported to the chloroplast of the same cell. where it will be converted into malate in the enzyme of malate dehydrogenase enzyme. And this malate, after its formation, will be transported to the bundle sheath cells chloroplast, where it can be converted into pyruvate, um, releasing one molecule of carbon dioxide, and this carbon dioxide will be utilized in the Calvin cycle of the chloroplast of the bundle sheath cell, while the pyruvate will transported back to the chloroplast of the mesophyll cells, where it will be converted into PEP with the help of PEP, pyruvate phosphate dikinase enzyme, and it will utilize the ATP and then converted into PEP, and PEP will be transported to the cytosol of the same cell, and again the cycle begin. Here the enzyme which is utilized here for the decarboxylation reaction is NADP malic enzyme, because it is occurring in the chloroplast. So it is not NAD but NADP malic enzyme. This is second form of C4 photosynthesis. It is known as NAD malic enzyme type, or it is also known as aspartate former 2. In this case, the PEP with the help of carbon dioxide, similarly as in previous case, NADP malic enzyme will be converted into oxaloacetic acid in the cytosol, and oxaloacetic acid with the help of amino acid glutamate will be converted into aspartate with the help of enzyme aspartate aminotransferase. So aminotransferase will transfer the amine group from glutamate to oxaloacetic acid and convert it into aspartate, and glutamate will be converted into alpha ketoglutarate. ये रिएक्शन मैं आपको पहले भी काफ़ी दफ़ा जो है वह समझा चुकी हूँ. जब हमने C2 पाथवे पढ़ा था तो वहाँ पे भी हमने इसको एक्सप्लेन किया था. Aspartate जो है 4 carbon containing compound, this will be transported into the mitochondrion of bundle sheath cells. Bundle sheath cells में aspartate जो है with the help of same enzyme जो कि इसने मेसोफिल्स के साइटोसोल में इस्तेमाल किया था, वही एंजाइम अब ये बंडल शीथ सेल्स के माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में इस्तेमाल करेगा. एंड द एंजाइम इज aspartate aminotransferase and convert the aspartate into oxaloacetic acid. Means this time the donor will be the alpha ketoglutarate, which will after taking the amine group will be converted into glutamate. मतलब ये जो रिएक्शन मेसोफिल सेल्स के साइटोसोल में हुआ था उसी का रिवर्स यहाँ पे होना है इन द माइटोकॉन्ड्रियन ऑफ द बंडल शीथ सेल्स. Oxaloacetic acid after its formation with the help of enzyme NAD malate dehydrogenase will be converted into malate, और malate जो है बनने के बाद एंजाइम यूज़ करेगा NAD malic enzyme, जिसकी वजह से इस पाथवे को भी NAD malic enzyme, इस पाथवे की जो फॉर्म है C4 की इसको भी NAD malic enzyme कहा जाता है. तो एक्चुअली द malate will be converted into pyruvate with the help of NAD malic enzyme, और पायरोवेट जब बनेगा तो वो माइटोकॉन्ड्रियन से ट्रांसपोर्ट होके इनटू द साइटोसोल ऑफ द बंडल शीथ सेल्स में आएगा, और आफ्टर being transported here it will be converted into alanine with the help of enzyme alanine aminotransferase, or in this reaction the donor of the amino group is the same, that is the glutamate, which is an amino acid, and alanine after its being formation will be transported to the mesophyll cells cytosol, where it will be converted back into pyruvate with the help of same enzyme alanine aminotransferase, and this pyruvate will be transported to the chloroplast of the mesophyll cells, where it will generate the PEP with the help of enzyme just like the NADP malic enzyme, dikinase enzyme, which will utilize ATP and form PEP, and PEP again transported into the cytosol and start the cycle again. So two differences are here with respect to NADP. One is the formation of oxaloacetic acid in the mitochondrion, and the other one is the enzyme, which is the NAD malic enzyme. और इन प्रीवियस जो हमने प्रीवियस फर्स्ट जो फॉर्म पढ़ी है C4 फोटोसिंथेसिस की, उसमें NADP मैलिक एंजाइम इस्तेमाल हुआ था और वो क्लोरोप्लास्ट में इस्तेमाल हुआ था, जबकि यहाँ पे NAD मैलिक एंजाइम इस्तेमाल हुआ है और ये माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया ऑफ द बंडल शीथ सेल्स में हुआ है. This is third type of C4 photosynthesis, PCK, PEP carboxykinase type, or it is also known as aspartate former 1. It is more complex than the previous two types of C4 pathway because two complementary cycles shuttle C4 and C3 metabolites between the mesophyll cells and bundle sheath cells. Some of the oxaloacetic acid, just like the NAD-ME type pathway, is converted into aspartate with transamination reaction, and this aspartate will be transported to the bundle sheath cells where it is converted back to oxaloacetic acid with the help of same transamination enzyme. And this oxaloacetic acid carboxylated decarboxylated with the help of enzyme PEP carboxykinase and yields carbon dioxide utilizing ATP, which is provided by the mitochondrial respiration. The carbon dioxide is fixed by the Calvin cycle in the chloroplast of the bundle sheath cells, and the PEP, the other product of the PEP carboxykinase reaction, returns to the mesophyll cell for the round of another carbon dioxide fixation. This PEP can also be converted into pyruvate, and pyruvate is then converted into alanine by the help of transamination, and then alanine can be transported to the mesophyll cell, and in the mesophyll cell with the help of the same enzyme it will be converted back into pyruvate. Pyruvate will be transported to the chloroplast. Here it will be converted into PEP, and PEP again transported to the cytosol of the mesophyll cell. So actually this type of the C4 pathway is actually a mixture of the previous two pathways, except for the utilization of a unique enzyme, which is PEP carboxykinase, which was not utilized by the previous two types. Here are the three forms of C4 photosynthesis: NADP malic enzyme type, NAD malic enzyme type, and phosphoenol pyruvate carboxykinase or PEP CK type are shown together. The numbering indicates the enzyme. For example, 1 indicates PEP carboxylase, 2 indicates NADP malate dehydrogenase, enzyme 3 means NADP malic enzyme, and number 4 indicates pyruvate orthophosphate dikinase enzyme. 5 means aspartate aminotransferase, and 6 means NAD malic enzyme, 7 means alanine aminotransferase, and 8 number is for PEP carboxykinase enzyme. The steric, the 3 stars which are the sterics are shown here are for the enzymes that identifies the C4 type. As here it shows the NADP malic enzyme, here it shows the NAD malic enzyme, and in case of PEPs CK it shows the phosphoenol pyruvate carboxykinase enzyme. Energetics of C4 cycle. Energy required to operate C4 cycle is 2 ATP for 1 carbon dioxide to be fixed, but it is less as compared to the amount of carbon dioxide supplied to the C3 pathway. In NADP malic enzyme and NAD malic enzyme, both required 2 ATP to fix 1 carbon dioxide, where in case of PCK, as I told you, an extra ATP is required to operate the cycle. So if PCK type of C4 cycle will operate, this will require 3 ATP rather than 2 ATP. So overall, generally we can say that at least 5 molecules of ATP and 2 molecules of NADPH are needed to assimilate 1 molecules of carbon dioxide if C4, in case of C4 plants, in which the C3 and C4 both cycles will operate. Bundle sheath cells chloroplast are laminated with only little PS2 However, cyclic electron transport occurs via PS1, which generate ATP. So these extra ATP will utilize for the operation of the C4 pathway. NADP is required for the Calvin cycle is indirectly brought into the bundle sheath cells from the mesophyll cells, क्योंकि मैंने आपको बताया कि एक जगह पे प्रोड्यूस हो रहे होते हैं और दूसरी जगह पे यूटिलाइज हो रहे हैं, तो ये आपस में कंपनसेट हो जाते हैं. Carbon dioxide concentrating mechanism 3, that is the carboxylation acid metabolism, CAM. A third mechanism for concentrating carbon dioxide at the site of Rubisco is found in carboxylation acid metabolism, CAM. Despite its name, CAM is not restricted to the family Carboxylaceae. It is also found in numerous other angiosperms families. Cacti and euphorbias are CAM plants, as well as pineapple, vanilla, and agave are also CAM plants. CAM mechanism enables plants to improve water use efficiency. If we compare the water use efficiency of CAM with the C4 and C3 plants, we see that only 50 to 100 grams of water are loses for every grams of carbon dioxide gained in case of CAM plants, while our typical C4 plants utilize 250 to 300 grams of water, and a C3 plant utilize 400 to 500 grams of for every gram of carbon dioxide gain. So in this way, CAM plants have a competitive advantage in dry environments. So the CAM mechanism is similar in many respects to C4 cycle, as I will show you in the next diagram. In C4 plants, the formation of the C4 acid, the malate in the mesophyll cell is specially separated from the decarboxylation of the C4 acid and refixation of the resulting carbon dioxide by the Calvin cycle in the bundle sheath cells. So fixation of carbon dioxide into malate and release of carbon dioxide for the Calvin cycle is in the bundle sheath cells, while the malate formation operates in the mesophyll cells. In CAM plants, both these processes occur, but rather they are separated spatially, they are separated temporally. Temporally means that formation of malate will occur at night and the release of carbon dioxide will occur at day, while the formation of malate in C4 plants occurs in mesophyll cells and carbon dioxide release occurs at bundle sheath cells. So C4 प्लांट्स को आप कह सकते हैं कि वो सेल्स के लिहाज से स्पेशली एक दूसरे से डिफरेंट जगहों पे जो है वो ऑपरेट हो रहे होते हैं, जबकि CAM प्लांट्स C4 प्लांट्स ही हैं की तरह ही सेम एंजाइम के साथ काम करते हैं, लेकिन जो काम वो दो डिफरेंट सेल्स में करता है वही काम ये दो डिफरेंट टाइमिंग्स में करता है. At night, carbon dioxide is captured by PEP carboxylase in the cytosol and malate is formed, which is stored in the vacuole, or at day the stored malate is transported to the chloroplast and decarboxylated by the NADP malic enzyme and release the carbon dioxide during day, and which is fixed by the Calvin cycle, and NADPH is used for conversion of the carboxylated triose phosphate to produce the starch. Carboxylation acid metabolism, CAM pathway, the temporal separation of carbon dioxide uptake from photosynthetic reactions, carbon dioxide uptake and fixation at night, and decarboxylation and refixation in the Calvin cycle during daytime. During night, the stomata are open and atmospheric carbon dioxide get enter into the mesophyll cells, where the phosphoenol pyruvate will react with this bicarbonate to form oxaloacetic acid in the presence of enzyme PEP carboxylase. The oxaloacetic acid in the presence of enzyme NAD malic dehydrogenase will be converted into malate, and this malate will acidify the leaf of the CAM plants and stored into the vacuole for further use. During day, the stomata are closed, and this closed stomata prevent the water loss, as well as the cells cannot now uptake carbon dioxide, and now the stored malate from the vacuole will be transported to the chloroplast, where it will liberate the carbon dioxide with the help of enzyme NADP malic enzyme and convert it into pyruvate, and this pyruvate will be utilized for the formation of starch. The liberated carbon dioxide cannot liberate it out because the stomata are closed, and this carbon dioxide will be utilized fully into the Calvin cycle for the formation of carbohydrate. So in this way, the adaptive advantage of CAM is the reduction of the water loss by transpiration, and this is achieved by stomatal opening during night and closure during day. The stomata of the CAM plants open at nights and close during the day. CAM plants such as the cacti achieve their high water use efficiency by opening their stomata during the cool desert nights and closing them during the hot dry days. Closing the stomata during the day minimizes water loss, but because carbon dioxide and water share the same diffusion pathway, the stomata, carbon dioxide must then be taken up at night. So they open their stomata during night to take up carbon dioxide, which is incorporated via the carboxylation of PEP to oxaloacetic acid, which is then reduced to malate, and this malate accumulates and is stored in the large vacuoles that are a typical but not obligatory anatomic feature of the leaf cells of the CAM plants. The accumulation of the substantial amount of the malic acid equivalent to the amount of the carbon dioxide assimilated at night has long been recognized as a nocturnal acidification of the leaf with the onset of the day. The stomata close and preventing the loss of the water and further uptake of the carbon dioxide. The leaf cells deacidify as the reserve of the vacuolar malic acid are consumed, and decarboxylation is usually achieved by the action of NADP malic enzyme in the chloroplast. And because the stomata are closed, the internally released carbon dioxide cannot escape from the leaf and instead is fixed and converted to carbohydrate by the Calvin cycle. The elevated internal concentration of the carbon dioxide effectively suppresses the photorespiration, that is the oxygenation of the ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate, and thus favors the carboxylation. The C3 acid resulting from the decarboxylation is thought to be converted first to triose phosphate and then to starch or sucrose, thus regenerating the source of the original carbon acceptor. Now the regulation of PEP carboxylase, which is required in C4 and CAM plants. The CAM mechanism requires the separation of the initial carboxylation from the subsequent decarboxylation, otherwise the cycle will be futile. In addition to the spatial and temporal separation exhibited by the C4 and CAM plants respectively, a futile cycle is avoided by the regulation of the PEP carboxylase. तो दिन के टाइम क्योंकि कैम को पेप कार्बोक्सिलेज जो है वो रिक्वायर्ड नहीं होता, तो दिन के टाइम ये इनएक्टिवेट हो जाता है, और रात के टाइम क्योंकि ये रिक्वायर्ड होता है तो इस वजह से ये एक्टिवेट हो जाता है. तो इस तरीके से भी पेप कार्बोक्सिलेज जो है उसको उसकी रेगुलेशन जो है अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिक्वायरमेंट जो है वो होती है. इन C4 प्लांट्स कार्बोक्सिलेज इज स्विच्ड ऑन और एक्टिवेट ड्यूरिंग द डे एंड इन CAM प्लांट्स ड्यूरिंग द नाइट, क्योंकि C4 में दिन के टाइम पेप कार्बोक्सिलेज का काम होना होता है तो वो दिन के टाइम एक्टिवेट होता है, जबकि CAM प्लांट्स में क्योंकि रात के टाइम उसने कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को जो है वो ऑक्सैलोएसिटिक में एसिटिक एसिड में कन्वर्ट करना होता है, तो ये रात के टाइम में एक्टिवेट होता है. In both the C4 and CAM plants, PEP carboxylase is inhibited by malate and activated by glucose 6-phosphate. Phosphorylation of a single serine residue of the CAM enzyme diminishes the malate inhibition and enhances the action of glucose 6-phosphate so that the enzyme becomes catalytically more active. The phosphorylation is catalyzed by PEP carboxylase kinase enzyme, and the synthesis of this kinase is stimulated by the efflux of the calcium from the vacuole to the cytosol and the resulting activation of the calcium calmodulin protein kinase, which is required for activation of the enzyme PEP carboxylase kinase. Diurnal regulation of CAM phosphoenol pyruvate PEP carboxylase enzyme की एक्टिवेशन और डीएक्टिवेशन यहाँ पे दिखाई गई हैं. You can see here that PEP carboxylase has a serine residue which can be phosphorylated with the help of enzyme kinase and in the presence of ATP into phosphorylated form, which is the active form of PEP carboxylase at night. And this active form with this phosphorylated serine residue is insensitive to malate. Upon day, this insensitive to malate form or active form of PEP carboxylase with the help of enzyme phosphatase will remove this phosphorus and convert it back into inactive form, and now it is not further utilizing the incorporation of carbon dioxide because the stomata are closed at daytime. So there is no use of PEP carboxylase active form at this time. So at daytime, inactive form of PEP carboxylase exists, and at night active form of PEP carboxylase enzyme exists. Some plants adjust their pattern of carbon dioxide uptake to environmental conditions. Plants have many mechanisms that maximize water and carbon dioxide supply during development and reproduction. C3 plants regulate the stomatal aperture of their leaves during the day and the stomata close during the night. While C4 and chem plants utilize PEP carboxylase to fix carbon dioxide, and they separate that enzyme from rubisco either spatially as in case of C4 plants or temporally as in case of chem plants. Some chem plants show longer term regulation and are able to adjust their pattern of carbon dioxide to environmental conditions. Facultative chem plants are also found, such as the ice plant. Those carry on C3 metabolism under unstressed condition but shift to chem in response to heat, water or salt stress. This form of regulation requires the expression of actually numerous chem genes in response to stress signals. In aquatic environments, cyanobacteria and green algae, they also have abundant water but find low carbon dioxide concentration in their surrounding and actively concentrate inorganic carbon dioxide intracellularly, and in diatoms which abound in the phytoplankton. A carbon dioxide concentrating mechanism operates simultaneously with the C4 pathway. Diatoms are a fine example of photosynthetic organisms that have the capacity to use the different carbon dioxide concentrating mechanism in response to environmental fluctuations. Thank you very much. This is all about today's lecture. If you have any question or query, you can ask on GCR, WhatsApp, or you can email me. These are the books from where the material has been collected for the preparation of the lecture. Allah Hafiz.